Okay, so we're going to talk about polygons, and particularly the properties of polygons and angles in polygons. So, first of all, what is a polygon? Well, a polygon is a 2D shape with all straight sides. So this is a polygon. Okay, semicircle. That is not a polygon because it's got a curved edge. Okay, cuboid is not a polygon because it's 3D. Okay, so not a polygon because it's 3D. Okay, must be 2D, must have all straight edges. Okay, now that doesn't mean to say that all of these have the same sides. Okay, so for example, if we've got a regular pentagon like this one here, that's a polygon, but also this weird little thing here, all straight sides, still a polygon. Okay, that's the first thing. So now we need to decide the angles inside of a polygon, or on the outside actually. So two different types of angles we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about interior angles, and we're also going to talk about exterior angles. First thing I want to focus on though is the interior angles. Okay, now you should know already that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, and angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. That is because a quadrilateral is two triangles glued together essentially. Okay, so all of these are 180, all of those are 180, add them together, we make 360. So if we were to look at a pentagon, so we've gone up from 3 sides to 4 sides, now we're going to 5 sides. If we split this into triangles, that's 180, that's 180, and that's 180 as well. So add them all up and you should get 540 degrees. I hope you're seeing a pattern emerge now. Okay, so 3 sides 180, 4 sides 360, 5 sides 540. Let's do 6 sides then. We've got a hexagon here. Okay, again, split it into triangles. We've got 180, 180, 180, 180. All together 180, 360, 540, and 720 degrees. So for every extra side, we go up another 180 degrees. You might also notice that the amount of triangles that you can split it into is also, that's my cat, my apologies, the amount of triangles you can split into is always 2 less than the number of sides. Okay, so the rule there is if n is the number of sides, then the rule is 180 times by the number of sides take away 2. That is the rule that you follow for interior angles. Okay, now exterior angles. For every regular shape, you've got an interior angle. All these are interior angles. And then on the outside, if you extend one of the lines, that is an exterior angle. Exterior angle, interior angle. Okay, so if we've got another one there, that's an exterior angle. There's another exterior. There's another exterior. There's another exterior. And there's another exterior. Okay, now bit of magic here, lovely bit of maths this. So if you add all of these exterior angles up together, magically they will always add to 360 degrees. So exterior angles always add to 360 degrees. Magic. Okay? So, typical question for you. If we had a question that said something like, here is a regular octagon, okay? Now this is a terrible octagon because I cannot draw and I'm getting used to writing on this screen, okay? But let's imagine that's an octagon. Octagon. And it's asking you to find out the size of one interior angle, and it's a regular octagon, okay? What you got to do, you remember that formula? 180 times by the number of sides take away 2. We got 8 sides. 180 times by 8 take away 2. Okay, so 8 take away 2 is of course 6. So that's going to be 180 times 6. Okay, so 720, what's the next one up from that? 900, so 1080 degrees is all of the exterior angles altogether. So divide that by 8 and that'll give you the size of that one angle. Okay, let's do that quickly in the bus stop. 1080 divided by 8. That would be 8 into 28 goes 3 times with a remainder of 4. 8 into 45. So that would be 135 degrees. Okay? So that is for interior angles. If we were to find an exterior angle of this octagon, that's a little bit more like it. Still rubbish. All we do is 360 divided by 8 to find out what that angle is there. Okay, 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. And you also might notice that that interior angle, 135 degrees, plus the exterior angle adds up to 180. Because, look, the interior angle and the exterior angle are on a straight line. Okay? Right, hope this helps. I'll set you some questions to do.